Hi, welcome, and thank you for joining me today. In this short but powerful practice, we will focus on pranayama, the art of conscious breathing. Through this gentle breathwork, we will calm the mind, energize the body, and create balance with the nervous system. Pranayama helps us clear the mental fog, reduce stress, and connect you to a deep sense of inner peace. So take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself arriving fully into this moment. And first, to start doing a breath of fire here. Breath of fire is our panting breath. It goes through the nose, in and out. And you can go with the pace, what is comfortable for you. If you wish, you can do it very fast and powerfully, or you can slow it down. And I recommend you do this practice every day. The best time to do this practice is in the morning. And I recommend you do this 21 days. You will physically see the change in your body, in your appearance, and in your energy. Okay, so next we are going to place our hands to the fists. Breathing in, hands go up, and breathing out, hands come down. And now, let your hands be in Gyan Mudra, index fingers touching thumbs. And we are moving on now. We're putting our thumbs to close our ears. We are placing our 2 fingers to the eyelids, and the 4th finger we're putting on top of the lip. And the 5th fingers, the pinky fingers, we're placing on the jaw. And we're breathing deep breath in, and we're humming out. Humming activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps the body to relax, and it lowers the heart rate and blood pressure. It reduces stress and anxiety naturally. Also, humming regulates the vagus nerve, which is linked to emotional regulation, relaxation, and digestion. The gentle vibration of humming soothes the mind and releases tension. Humming increases nitric oxide levels in the nasal passages. This is a natural antibacterial and antiviral compound. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Let your breath return to your natural, easy flow, smooth and effortless. Notice the space you have created in your body, your breath and your thoughts. Carry that sense of calm and balance with you into the rest of your day. And I invite you to join me for a 5-minute, 7-day pranayama challenge. do this pranayama exercise every morning, 7 days in a row, to cultivate focus, energy, and peace. And thank you everyone who is supporting me on Coffee. I love you. Thank you so much. Bye.